kinongilam jong ka Meghalaya SSA School Association hapo ka jingilam jong President ba Aristotle C. Rambai hakakat santarik uyayong araja apsan ringkat ka jingdon lang jong kinongilam na ka Meghalaya Fourth Teacher Association kile kendu yo Commissioner and Secretary jong katanat puli puthi Vijay Kumar Mantri Manpan jing pensyai halor ke jing terwa jong katanat puli puthi Syakibor penyat jong ki school SSA namar ke jing bamsyai ya ke jing temu jong ke sarkar ban shimti ban penyat hino da ke sarkar uba rembai ha ke jing yakran bat kilat pathai kubor la pentip bau Commissioner and Secretary unsak hatpiang ya ke jingalang hapreng ki officer na katanat puli puthi bat kumjuru ya ki nongyalam jong ki nahikai SSA bat fourth teacher banyakran sani halor kani kaman
Today is like 15th of April. Promise. 15th April.
Dengan ka Meghalaya SSA School Association Central Body agak jingin don dekat lang di Meghalaya Food Teachers Association agak jingin sisa ka all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association lu ni pendek bani walang mantas ni nak kedau bagi don ka jikam ki baketi kimla bani boy te ka jingwan hi dongi mantas ni bani kendu yi Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner Secretary jong ka Education Department kalong ba ngin budin halor gitu kimat kibangi lekren hagini kipor kibala deputydin akabai dei bat ka inisiatif mo jong ka government nagbenta ban take over no like management jong ki SSA school sa kasoka te nakaliang jong ka department hagini ki kandidat sngi kana de issue ya ka shiti bat kumjuro ya ka cinta na baro kini ki SSA school lagi ki community school ini ki private ki mission ki NGOs and so on and so forth bakin aya ka consent joki na banta ba kilong billing ban handover ya ka management na ka SSA syaka education department te kat ba kinang serve ya kane ka notice ngilap ba ki babun kini ki private mission nang ta kini ki NGOs manage SSA school kami ka problem sang to ka problems ka bami kalong ba nakilin jongki kim long shai hakabai dei bat kani ka jingchmu jongka government te hakabai dei bat kani ka benta nakilin jongi ngi ya kren ya tai sani bha menta ba di Commissioner Secretary bani ka kerpado ye iba in extend ya kani ka por nak menta bikin submit ya kani ka willingness jongki te ila kulari ngi menta ba in extend up to the end of this month ya kini ki private ki mission school ki NGOs ki society bakin shimya ka por jong ki ban perkhat akabai dei bakani ka jingtemu jong ka government de bakin submit ya kani ka willingness jong ki hapo jong mentau benai April ta ka de number 1 number 2 pa gran ya kitu ki school mo ki bala dep ai ki bala dep ai ya ka willingness jong ki na bentapan handover ya ka management na ka SSA syaka education department ni ong yo Commissioner Secretary ni ajimut ba kinang proses ya kaneka file kinang proses ya kaneka file kat kepada ban don kam ban le kat kum ka procedure kepada kidai ban le hapo department kata ka number 2 number 3 part ya kitu ki school SSA school ki bala own ki private mission NGOs ni ki society kiba mlong willing ban ai ki bom willing ban ai ya ka management sya ka government ngingil ai jingmut ba taking into consideration ya ka service dan ka contribution ka bakil renda barok sikata ban ai ya ka quality education apo jela jingila ni ban uplift ya ka education apo ka state jongi ngingil ai jingmut ba ya kinong hikai de ban ailat iki ban continue ha kituki school. Dakaba nakalian jong ke sarkar kan ai ki ya kaju kajing mentoy kumba ai ya kitay kinong hikay kiba long willing mo ban ai ya ka management na ka SSA syaka government. Bat kani ngila ai jingmut bakin kon baka the government kan ai la ki bat continue hadu ka kapor bakin shop thai. Lani ngai ka option ya ka government lani ka government kala ban consider ki as a grant in its school mo grant in its school but kidai ban yo ya ka jingmentoy la kumno kuno ban wanra ya ka pay structure ka bathamai ka pay structure ka bathamai ka ba dau shai ba ki ai ki kano kinyo ya ka jingsiu ka mut ka salary jong ki but ki ai ki jingmentoy ki bangi yo ma kumban supen kan mau ngitip ba hasti jongi kidon shibon kita ki grant in its school shibon kategori kidon ki deficit pattern ad hoc ki Hindi teachers or fourth teachers but kum ta ter science grant ya kitu ki SSA school ki balong zero enrollment but single digit enrollment students no ya kani ngi ajing mut pat ba ya kum kita ki school ka government ka deiban ra no yaitu no hikai but kitu ki kena ki nearby school where there is better students enrollment. Tikini ki bangila aj mut mata ki bangila keren ber commissioner secretary nakaliang jung uru agree bagi long reasonable kani ka points ke bangai. But orang yo ba next week he will call an official meeting. Akajing don kat lem bati DSEO, bati SDSEO, bati officer naka tenat puli puti, bat kum jo ro akajing don kat lang jung iki association baro lightly kata ka Meghalaya SSA school association ka all Meghalaya SSA school teachers association bat ka Meghalaya Fourth teachers association.